What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in. As you saw, there was a couple clips of how our Evo did at the track sprint this weekend. The car did pretty good. I did spin it out the first run. Nerves and maybe just getting a little too excited got the best of me, but the car did pretty good. The roll center adjuster was great. We did end up taking it to an alignment shop and got a legit alignment for it. The car's driving really nice. It does need a driver mod a little bit, but it made a decent run on the last run, and that's what you saw earlier today. But for now, we're going to take a break off the Evo. We got a couple upgrades for her later. But in this video, I'm going to show you my other project. This is my 1996 Nissan pickup, aka a D21 Hardbody. I bought this thing last fall. My daily Evo ate a transmission, so I ended up having to daily drive my blue Evo, which that didn't really sit well with me because I drive a ton of miles, like 200 miles a day, and using your track car or your fun car as your daily kind of sucks because then you have to make sure you can drive it to work the next day. So I bought this truck to become like a daily backup vehicle at the house, and living out here in the woods, the pickup bed, comes in handy. So now that my daily is working really well, knock on wood, I'm actually wanting to make the inside of this truck a little more livable. It's stripped out right now. It's no carpet. It kind of sucks driving around in it. So I bought some carpet, got new speakers, and like a head unit, and I want to throw that in tonight and make this a more comfortable backup daily. The truck is kind of patinaed. I need some rocker panels, some bedsides, and maybe we'll do that, or maybe I'll keep it like kind of patina, but we'll see what happens. I'd like to get into painting cars, and this would be a perfect first car to paint, like no pressure, just kind of paint it and see if I can use a spray gun. But as of right now, yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna pull the seats out, pull the old speakers out, and throw the carpet in. So here's the deal. I bought these speakers from Walmart. I didn't want to spend a lot of money. But the problem is, it doesn't fit in this door with this plate. Now I did the other side already to save me some embarrassment. But what we gotta do is we gotta remove this plate and then drill some holes. Basically get rid of this ID here so that the speaker fits on top of wiring it. So I'm gonna remove this plate, drill some holes, and hopefully this speaker works. Ah! So next, I have this head unit that's just been sitting, came out of my white Evo before I put a CarPlay in it. So I'm gonna use this deck, put it in here, and hopefully it works.
College, Asher Roth, Mrs. Officer, Lil Wayne FT, Bobby Valentino.
As you can see,
Kids in
it's
Love,
turned on
Mayday
now.
Parade, Because of You,
Wired it
Neo,
up, both
Too
speakers
Close,
work.
Next,
As you can tell, my
Timberland
iPod
the
from
AIR,
the
F2 Clary
2006
Hilson
is
and
talking
Doe,
to me.
Unknown,
So it's working.
Say Yeah Dirty,
So I'm
Wiz
going to go ahead and
Khalifa,
put the rest of it back
Forever Young,
together.
Youth Group,
And then that way we can take
Craig
the seat out and put the carpet
Travis
in.
Barker Rock Remix, Soulja Boy Tell M, Call Me Hopeless, but not romantic, Mayday Parade.
Got the bench out. That's hard. Well, not hard, it's pretty light. But by yourself, it's a little awkward. Hopefully it's a little easier going back in. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to vacuum the inside before I throw that new carpet in. And then after that, it's put everything back together. And this truck will be a lot more comfortable to drive. The speakers from Walmart, it's kind of but it is what it is. For $35, I can't really keep complaining about that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this, and hopefully we can put the carpet in a little bit. Okay, so working on this truck has been kind of a tedious process. You gotta take the door sills out, all the trim, everything in the interior basically. And then I bought this carpet from Amazon, and it's not pre-cut to anything. So I'm gonna have to cut it some more and then fit it slow. Kinda sucks, but it is what it is. So hopefully we get this done tonight. Get the carpet in. There's two pieces to it. One goes under the seats and then one goes by the pedal box. And then once that's done, we can call it a night, but I still got a lot of work to do. But we'll get back to it and hopefully we get it done tonight. Okay, got the carpet in here. A lot of cutting, goddamn, a lot of cutting. But it's in, so now I just get to put the bench back in and we can call this project for tonight done. Well, finally got this project done. I'm pretty happy about it. It's got a radio, it's got speakers that work. That way I can listen to the From Porches to Porsches podcast without having to wear headphones. The carpet was a lot of cutting fit decent. I mean, there's a bubble right here I can't get out, but I think I may have cut this seam a little too low, a little too short maybe. So I like it though. The truck is starting to be a little more comfortable now, I think. Next thing I want to do is tint, and like I said, maybe I'll paint the thing. But for right now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.